A for apple, apple means save. B for ball, ball means gend. C for cat, cat means billy. D for dog, dog means kutta. E for egg, egg means anda. F for fish, fish means machali. G for goat, goat means bakri. H for hen, hen means murga. I for ice cream means ice cream. J for jug, jug means jug. K for kite, kite means patang. L for lion, lion means शेर. M for monkey, monkey means बंदर. N for next, next means घोंसला. O for orange, orange means संतरा. P for peacock, peacock means मोर. Q for queen, queen means रानी. R for rabbit, rabbit means खरगोश. S for ship, ship means जहाज. T for tiger, tiger means cheetah. U for umbrella, umbrella means छाता. V for van, van means गाड़ी. W for watch, watch means घड़ी. X for X-ray, X-ray means X-ray. Y for yak, yak means yak. Z for zebra, zebra means zebra.